Sharpening and honing are usually sufficient for most scissors and shears. However, you may find problems with the tips or the balance of a pair of scissors. Also, you may wish to provide this value-added service to enhance customer satisfaction. Some handy accessories you may need for repair work are set screw pliers, a dual lens magnifier, a brass hammer, a set adjusting tool for small scissors, and a scissors press. Sizing and matching the tips are essential for proper use of the shears. If the tips do not meet on plastic-handled shears, try grinding a small amount of material away from the spacers between the handles. Use a brass hammer to adjust the handles on metal-handled shears. Take it easy, as you only need to make a small adjustment. To match the tips, close the shears and press the tips straight into the grinding wheel. This ensures that both blades match. Don't grind too much. Hone the back of the blades to remove burrs and reform the tips. To do this, open the shears and hold the backs to the fine honing wheel. Check the freefall on grooming shears by holding one handle of the shears vertically and letting the other drop. The blade should touch about halfway between the pivot and the tip. On industrial and fabric shears, you should feel the contact about 1/4 inch from the pivot. To adjust the freefall, tighten the pivot screw. Using a scissor set screw pliers prevents damage to the screw head. This special tool is ideal for working with barber shears and embroidery scissors.